Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna go over the deposit profit challenge on codefights.com. Let me show you how to complete it. So from what it says, right, it gives us integers, but eventually we're gonna have to use a float. So I'm just gonna go ahead and declare a float. We'll name it float D, and this float will equal deposit. Okay. Now also, we're also gonna have to create another integer that keeps track of how many years has passed. Okay. So we're gonna do int x equals 0. Okay. Now, we don't know how many years, right, it's gonna happen, so it's unknown. So we cannot use a for loop, we're gonna use a while loop, okay? And so, every year, we're gonna increase the year by 1, right? X plus plus, so the variable of x, this integer x, keeps track of how many years, okay? And the number of years is always gonna go up in our loop. And so what are we gonna do? Let's do D is less than threshold, okay? Because we only want to know once we reach our threshold, right? Now we're gonna have to put in a formula, right? And what is this formula? Well, it's gonna be D plus equals D times rate, and then we can surround it by parentheses. We can put divided by 100. Okay, that's good. So now we can just do return x, and that should give us the right answer, right? So what is our code doing? We have let's write some comments, okay? X keeps track of our years, right? Converts int to float. Technically that's what we're doing, because if we use this variable deposit, chances are it's not going to work. So best thing to do is just keep it a float. Okay? And while D is less than threshold, right? So it's going to keep going until we meet our mark, increase the number of years, and then add the amount of percent needed, blah, 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 and then return it. So let's go ahead and click run tests. Perfect, sample test pass. Let's see if we get all of them, right? Very important. Perfect. So that's great. I got 1300 place. If we go ahead, do C++ find me. So I'm in the top 200, which is pretty cool, I have to admit. But I want to thank you guys for watching very much. I hope you learned something new. Maybe you got some new ideas, which is very good. And I'll see you in the next video.